What's up, everybody? Dante here, and this is supposed to be the best condenser microphone that you can purchase because everybody pretty much uses this for podcasting, radio station, voiceover work, anything. Like, this is supposed to be the best of the best. So I went on and got this. Now, I recently purchased the Rodecaster Pro, right? Now, all right, let's see what it's going to be like. And I got two condenser microphones that Rode makes. I got the Rode Procaster. Rodecaster Pro, Procaster, right. So I got those microphones, and it, you know, what you would figure out that since Rode makes the Rodecaster Pro and the Rode Procaster microphones, that everything will just seamlessly work better together because it's all one brand, one company. And you know, kind of like you want to, I wouldn't say you want to use the same brand stuff, but when it comes down to it, you want to use like the best microphones. And I did a lot of research and looked up a lot of things, and this is supposed to be the one and only. So let's get into this unboxing real fast. Whoa, this is pretty hefty here. Oh wow, this must be a what do they call it? I guess a thread slimmer or whatever you can call it. Gets the smaller threads in there. And this is it. How do you take this off? I know you can take this off. Because I don't like how this one looks for some odd reason. It just don't look right to me. But also, it comes with another windscreen. Oh wow, there's a smaller thread piece right there. Okay, that is down right here. So when it comes down to it, at the end of the day, this is supposed to be the best. Now, probably the next video I do, well, I guess if I do a review video of this, I'm gonna do a review video doing a voiceover using this microphone, and just overall just testing this microphone, doing a bunch of voiceover work or record the podcast with this. I also heard that this is a soft microphone, so when it comes to any preamp you use, you're gonna have to use like a cloud lifter to boost the sound, the record quality of this microphone, because they say it's just a soft microphone and the cloud lifter will boost it, so you ain't got to turn the gain up so high with this when you got just using the regular XLR cable. They say you need a cloud lifter to kind of boost it because it's just a soft microphone. It just records, it has a good soft touch and a good soft sound to it, but like I said, you got to turn the gain up real high to kind of get good audio quality out of this microphone. With a cloud lifter, you ain't got to turn the gain up so much. But that's pretty much it to this unboxing. I thought about I was going to do a voiceover while I was doing it, but no, I just wanted to get this out and unbox and kind of get things ready, because like I said, I don't know if I want to get the cloud lifter first, then use the microphone, or just use it for a while and then eventually get the cloud lift. So I was trying to debate which I wanted to do, but this is it. This is the unboxing of the Shure SM7B. One of the best condenser microphones you can get. Everybody uses one. I just recently launched a podcast, the Finest Tech Podcast. Go on and check it out. It's on most of all your, I guess, name brand, the big streaming services, Spotify. I believe I'm on Apple Podcasts as well. I sent it off, but I never really got the email that said they approved it yet. So, but I'm on pretty much all the major services. So go and check it out. See if you like it. If you tell me, let me know anything, any suggestions you can give me to improve it. Let me know. Thank you guys for watching. Hit that like button, subscribe button, notification button, all those buttons. Press them all. See you guys for my next video.